Alright, so today we're gonna be trying these Doritos. These are the tangy pickle flavored. I love pickles. If you know me, pickles are like my fave. So I'm literally going on a mission, finding whatever is pickles flavor, and I'm gonna try it. So welcome to part 1. We'll be trying the pickle Doritos. They smell like pickles! I love pickles. Alright, let's go ahead. Wow. It's literally perfect. It has the sweet, sour, and enough flavor on a chip. And the flavored Doritos are always a good thing, so. If you like pickles, you need to try these. These are so good. Got mine at Target.